This is better than the other one. Okay, we are Amphawa Floating Market. It's located on a canal that flows into the Mekong River in Samut Songkhram province. It is approximately 80 kilometers from Bangkok, but don't let that fool you because it takes you 2 hours by taxi to get here. And the floating market is only open on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. And on weekends, it's 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. All right, Fridays is 3 p.m. to 10 p.m. On weekends, which is Saturday and Sundays, it's 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. On both sides of the riverbank, you'll see numerous stalls and shops, just about anything you want to eat and shop, from street fashion household items, handicraft toys, authentic Thai food, to Thai art. As you can see, we are on the river here, and you got a lot of houses on the left and right, a lot of shops, and you just tell the driver of the boat which side you want to stop on, and then you can go shopping. This is a really big floating market. It's I would say it's better than the first one we went to. The first one we went to was small, it was quaint, but it was the original one. This one is really, I prefer it much better. You can see on the left side a lot of restaurants and a lot of people sitting and listening to music and eating and enjoying. I mean, it's a very nice atmosphere. I would recommend people to come here. But I have to warn you, okay? You have to get a taxi driver who knows how to come here, because if he takes you to the wrong port, then you're going to be charged a lot, all right? So what happens is this, is if you want to go on a boat with everybody else, it's 200 baht per person for foreigners, and for Thai people, it's 100 baht. But if you want to rent a whole boat on your own, then it's 600 baht, okay? We went to another port earlier, which was abandoned. There was nobody there, and it was empty, and there was just one person there, and guess what? The guy wanted to charge us 1,200 baht per person, and we just said, forget it. And as we were leaving, he was trying to bring it down to 1,200 baht for the whole boat. But you know what? You don't go to these small ports. You don't go to the tiny ports. You go to the main port where there's a lot of tourists, there's a lot of boats, there's a lot of action, there's a lot of things happening. Then you'll see prices on signages, all right? As you park, there's a big parking area, and there's numerous chapels to Lord Buddha. And as you park, once you park and you come on in, you walk through a lot of market and a lot of stalls. It's quite a nice place to be, actually. It's quite serene, quite nice. And if you can see all these people, I mean, this is not set up for tourists, you know. All these people on the left and right are actually living in their houses, you know. They've got their televisions on, and they've got, they're eating their food, you know, and next to it they got their shops. I mean, it's a very idyllic life where people are actually living and working and setting up shop next to the river, okay, literally next to the river. So I recommend people to come here to this place. And I'm having a little trouble with the name, but let me look at my notes. You got to come here. This is the Amphawa Floating Market. All right, everybody got to remember that. Amphawa, Amphawa Floating Market. And if you go on the website, it's a little deceptive because, trust me, it is not 1 hour from Bangkok. It is 2 hours from Bangkok, all right? Okay, I'm gonna just let you enjoy the scene and see what's going on here. There's a beautiful wat here on the left. I can tell by the architecture. The boat ride is about 1.5 hours. Full circulation, correct? That's what we were told, it's 1.5 hours, but we're not very good in the Thai language. In fact, we don't speak it at all, so we're just making a wild guess. In Thailand, if you don't speak Thai, you have to use your fingers a lot. Okay, I'm the captain of the boat here. The guy in the back of the boat is not my emanation. We can see this mystical, magical wat. Okay, we are coming to the end of our boat ride here, and it's about an hour 15-minute boat ride, and you know, they take you to see the fireflies, which I've seen when I was growing up in New Jersey, but it might be kind of amazing for people who've never seen them, because they're actually small flies that light up. But we didn't get footage of that because it's too dark. But just look to your left and right. We've come back to where we started from, and I recommend everybody to come here to visit and take a boat ride. Very interesting, very nice, and you know, even without the boat, you should walk along the pier on the left and the right, up and down, because there's a lot of interesting shops that you can go take a look at. And that's what we're going to do now. We're going to go look at some of the interesting shops here.